Hey guys, David Sampaio here with SumZero Energy. This project in MILLIS is a special one. Initially, the homeowners reached out to us because they had some major mold concerns that was affecting their health and their kids' health. It was getting into their HVAC systems, on their attic, and they just needed some help. They also had some concerns with their oil usage and paying way too much in heating bills. So to address their concerns, we took a full comprehensive approach with this one. First, we had to address the existing mold. Therefore, we had to rip out all the existing HVAC that had mold in it. And then we had to rip out the ceilings in the attic to address the mold there as well. With that, we cleaned out everything. And now that we addressed all the existing mold, now we had to make a plan to make sure that it doesn't come back. The plan was to spray foam the attic with closed cell foam to create that air and moisture barrier. And then we decided to go with the 5-zone mini-split ductless system on the second floor to have cleaner air, more control, and efficiency. On the first floor, we decided to go with a Bosch heat pump system with all new ductwork. On the new ductwork, we made sure that everything was sealed appropriately and super insulated. On that same system, we have a dehumidifier and an ERV. The dehumidifier controls the humidity levels of the entire house. The ERV removes stale air from inside the house and brings fresh filtered air inside. After all the energy improvements, we ran our blower door test. We found that we reduced the air leakage by 70%. These results qualified them for thousands of rebates through Mass Save and through the MVP program, which is sponsored by the Department of Energy. After addressing their mold concerns, overhauling their HVAC, installing indoor air quality products, spray foaming, and getting them a ton of rebates, we were able to improve their quality of life and reduce the carbon footprint. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. This project really meant a lot to us. For more information, check out our website and social.